Hey guys, welcome back. How you like my new backdrop? Yeah, I thought I'd make it fancy like fancy YouTubers do. But today I have an unboxing. But before that, yesterday I bought uh, another watch. This is a Seiko, and I'm unboxing also a Seiko watch. So this is gonna be a Seiko double unboxing. Uh, and this is a Seiko Pogue, but the Pepsi version. Of course, for me, the Pogue is only golden one, the yellow one, and this is the same watch, but dark blue dial and the Pepsi version. I think it looks nice, and it will look nice on a NATO strap very much, the one with the stripes. But in today's unboxing, I have, first of all, my unboxing knife. This is a cool little Spyderco Persistence, isn't it? I don't know. I forgot what's its name, but it's a smaller Spyderco than Tenacious Spyderco. I think it's Persistence. So here I have a package, and I bought it. This is another unboxing that I have, and this is actually, wow, this is Seiko SKX. So yeah, nothing interesting there, but still cool. I saw one online for a great deal, so I could not resist, and I bought it. It's used Seiko. I think it has an aftermarket bezel insert, but that can be fixed. That can be replaced. When I ordered actually the correct insert, so maybe I will do a video how to swap those. But this was such a sweet deal, I could not pass it up. So let me see. Let me show you. I want to see what have I bought. Lots of wrapping here, lots of knife cutting for the knife guys. So yeah, this is very well packaged. So we're gonna need some knife action. I'm happy because I sold all my Orients, and I still think this Orient Blu-ray is better watch than Seiko SKX, but somehow Seiko SKX have become cool, just like the, I don't know, like this wristwatch checked for today, Tudor Pelagos, and this is super cool watch. I was actually contemplating of trading it up for a very nice horology piece. Those of you who are following me on Instagram may know what's it all about, but so far I'm deciding I'm gonna stick with this one. It's a really nice piece. I'm trading up, but I love this watch, and I still haven't wore it enough in order for me to get rid of it. And I save all my bubble wraps, I recycle and do stuff like that, but so no surprises here. It's gonna be a Seiko SKX. This one's used, actually. It's not a brand new. I think they are a bit way overpriced because I'm spoiled from the 80s when, yeah, good old SKS. And Orient Ray are cooler and better watches with better movement and something, but this one is iconic model, and I think this one has a place in its history, especially nowadays with its popularity with the watch newbies and whatnot. Oh, the action is awesome on this one. So the only fault I found on this watch is it's perfect condition. It has an aftermarket bezel insert. I can live with that, but I actually ordered a new bezel insert with the correct one. And how do you know it's aftermarket bezel insert? Well, you can easily spot it when you have here on number 10 let me just switch perspectives. Or maybe when I get a bezel insert, I will show you how they look. Actually, I'm gonna do that. So I'm on a run. My mate is waiting for me. I gotta go outside. I also bought a new car yesterday, which was it's not a brand new car. It's actually a project car. So I'm gonna need to put a lot of money into it. Well, not a lot, but some to make it fancy and to spice it up too. It's kinda cosmetic issues has, but it runs solid. So yeah, maybe it's gonna be a little bit, but here I got myself a Seiko SKX back to my stable. A while ago I did a video telling you while I did unboxing Seiko SKX back to my stable, and you cannot hate this watch. You gotta love it. This watch is just so cool. It's cool like a Tudor Pelagos, and these two are both iconic watches. And when I get a new bezel insert, it's in the mail. I should be getting it soon. I will show you difference, how to spot a aftermarket bezel insert. The bezel insert, this is a black circle, and I prefer aftermarket than as all scratched up and everything and like that. So this watch is super cool and I'm happy to have it. So I need to put it on my wrist. I'm gonna put it on my other wrist and give you a double wrist shot with the Tudor Pelagos and this one. And these are both two excellent watches for the money, and they are both super cool tool watches. Yeah, if you are a tool, you like tool watches. I like tool watches. So yeah, some kung fu shots and moves, or fisting action, and yeah, that's it. I'm super happy with it. Just the bezel action. Listen to this. Perfect. Next to the mic. And now let's hear the bezel action on Pelagos. It's meaner. This one's 120 clicks, this one's 60. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and do tell me in the comment section how do you like my new watches. And also I got a Seiko Pepsi Pogue, so super happy. Double Seiko day today. I'm gonna wear them both, one on each wrist, and I don't know, it's kind of douchebaggy, but I think I can pull it off just for today, because this one is so cool. I love it, and this one's also so. Thank you for watching. I'm edcgunner, and see you in the next one.